Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss how you can translate Microsoft Word document. So open Microsoft Word document, select the text which you want to translate, go to the review and here you will find the option translate. So just click on the translate option and here you can select any language in which you want to translate your text. For example, I will select Hindi and you can see the text has been translated, and just simply click on insert and you can see the translated text has been inserted into my document. So it's very simple to translate the text. For example, let's select another paragraph and go to the translate, and again you can see the whole text has been translated into Hindi because I have selected Hindi language. And you can also translate the whole document if you want. So let's convert this paragraph into French. So just click on French and click on insert, and you can see the whole paragraph has been converted into French. So it's very easy to translate the text and you can insert the text in your document right away. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.